In this video, we'll show you how to terminate the 100-118-100 XL Category 6A STP Crimp plug and boot with XL's Category 6A FFTP cable. You'll need a peg-style cable stripper, multi-purpose side cutters and the 100-127 crimp tool on setting B. Slide the strain relief boot down the cable. Strip about 40mm off the cable jacket using the cable stripper. Score the sheath, bend to break it and remove the jacket. Using the side cutters, remove the outer layer of foil and then remove the foil layers from the individual wire pairs. Untwist and fan out the pairs. Straighten the wires and trim the ends so they're all the same length. Insert the wires into the wire manager according to T568B. Trim the excess wires with the side cutters. Slide the plug over the wire manager and push firmly to secure. Wrap the two pins around the cable jacket. Use the 100-127 crimp tool on setting B to terminate the wires. Then use the tool to crimp the pins to the cable jacket. Trim the drain wire at the base of the pins. Slide the boot up to engage with the plug and push to secure.